It's Sunday. It's my first time out in 30 hours. I've been at home and doing nothing this weekend except for Friday. I was out. I was having a lot of fun. But now it's about time to get out. Today I'm going to take you guys to a place that I haven't been for many years since I was a kid. It's called Ulsrudvann. It's a beautiful lake in Oslo. Yeah, let's join me on this short hike around Ulsrudvann. It's a beautiful little place here in Oslo. I haven't been here for a long time, since I was, yeah, more or less since I was a kid actually. It is beautiful here and it's about time. Get out. I brought my cameras. This camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I also brought the Osmo Pocket, not Osmo 360. And yeah, we're just gonna have a little walk around and just enjoy the scenery. This is a parking lot, and already over here you can go swimming. So I haven't been here since I was a kid. Walking around the whole lake is 8.2 kilometers. So if the weather holds, which it looks like it will, we might take a round trip. This looks so beautiful. I should have used the soup. So, it would probably be more fun taking out the soup if I had some friends joining me. Should we test the waters? Okay, let's put a finger in it. See how warm it is. Let's go over here. This place looks beautiful. Think about how many people who have been here before us. This is a good place to test the water. That's not bad. That's really not. This is really not really cold. This is actually swimmable, even for me. And I'm like, I have been swimming sometimes, a couple of times this summer, but I'm usually not the first one in, even though I have been this summer. So should we follow the path or the road, or should we follow the trail? I think maybe the trail looks more tempting. If you know me a little bit, I'm a super social dude, but at the same time, when I'm out like this, I just don't want to meet people. Unless I get to like meet people that I can like get friends and get to know. Not just people walking by. That kind of people. This was beautiful. It's a lot of small mosquitoes, or what's it called here, which kind of sucks. It is tempting to swim actually. Maybe it's a fracture of a chance. I'll do it when we walk around. But first of all, I just want to walk around here because I haven't been here for a long time. And I was thinking that I should perhaps use different kind of shoes, because I just bought these. And there we go. These are not hiking shoes, and this is not a perfect place for those kind of shoes. So maybe we can take a walk around. It looks like it's only here. If I jump, yeah, we can jump. No problems. Choop. That was all right. So next time I'll use some different shoes. I have no idea if this path leads me to trail around the water here, but it probably does. I can't really remember going here. Is this slippery? Maybe not. That was okay. So here we are, another swimming spot. There are some people up here also, so maybe I'm on the right trail. Just check this out. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like somebody's swimming already. I think I just found a new place where I want to take my hammock. Maybe like go for a day trip and bring the gas stove. That would be cool. Maybe you guys would want to join me. Hopefully before it gets too cold. As you can see, there's so many nice places where we can go swimming here as well, so bring your shorts or bikini or whatever. Just come on, let's go. I just saw the big mushroom, and I think that is the perfect timing for me to test out my new lens, because I bought a cool little lens from Temu again, and it's a macro lens. So if I just put that on right now, and we can see if we can get a cool picture of the mushroom. It looks like this right now, and if you put on a lens, see that? Like that, then you can see it like this. Pretty good. I think this lens was awesome. This lens was pretty cool. As you can see, it's from macro and it worked really well on the mushroom. So that was a good buy. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that really often, but for these sorts of things, that might be fun. Look what I found. Yep, of course. But will this branch hold me? I'm really not sure. For how long? I don't want to fall out, and I don't want it in my head. Out here at Ulsrudvann, I'm reminded that the simplest things often brings the greatest peace. Thanks for joining me on this walk. Let's go. We're not finished yet. I'm still in the forest, and I'm going to go back to the car now because it's getting pretty dark. So I'll put my camera on night mode and just gonna follow the water or lake around back to the car where I started out. I kind of did want to take a swim. I kind of just need a little motivation, which I haven't found yet. So even though the water was pretty warm, I haven't been in the water yet. So it was just a quiet, calm walk today, and I'm just glad I got out. I've been staying in for 2 whole days, just binging series, and yeah, eating and chilling in bed, doing nothing, which is also necessary sometimes, which I really do like, even though it feels a bit waste of time, waste of weekends, waste of time you can meet other people and stuff. I just interrupted a camping site, so go along. It's beautiful. It's like people are camping and stuff, and maybe they're digging up some bodies or something. That would be so much more exciting to film. So I think we're just going back to the car, leaving the serial killers to their business. And yeah, thank you for following. As always, great to see you guys. Hoping for a positive comment and a like. And if you don't like it, that's okay as well. I'll continue making videos. This will be the last view of today, and hopefully we'll take another hike tomorrow. I have my week off, so maybe there will be some more hikes. I just found this in my backpack. Each protein shake. So if that's not the case right now, I'm gonna open the new DJI Mic 2 because I lost the other one that I had. I don't know where it is. This is the brand new DJI Mic 2. I don't know where my other one is, so I had to buy a new one. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but we're on it. New DJI Mic 2 transmitter. I've been waiting until the right moment to open this, and I think today, right now, is the right moment. So we're in the middle of the forest, and it comes with a pouch. When I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it was a mic like this following in the pack, but I have lost it somehow, so I had to buy a new one. Okay, so there's a backpack. Here we go. The microphone right here. Shiny. And it has this little magnet on the back. Oh, that was strong. And I lost that one last time. So you can have it like there on your hoodie or on your jacket and whatever. This was really strong. I think this was stronger than the one I had before. There's also a microphone attachment for when it's windy outside. You can put this straight onto your microphone like this. Like that. And now I lost that little bugger again. I found it. Luckily, this is really small, so you have to take care of that one. I think I just put it in the back in the pouch this time. Like that. And here is also a cord of some sorts. Put everything back here and we'll use this from now on. Stuff it into the bag. Ready to go. Okay, so how to pair it to this camera. Let's check it out. So I had to turn the camera off just to find the microphone, and now this should be working. So now we can use this when we're out and about. And yeah, not exactly a huge unboxing, but still, small things are cool also. I maybe I overdid it with the lights. I brought this light with me out in a rucksack, and also this one. This is really sharp. So now we're just sitting out here. We're about to go back to the car. We have been walking around this little lake for around an hour and a half. It's suddenly pretty dark, and there's a guy camping right over there. So it might be by time to get home. I think this lens did a pretty good job on the small insect here. Looking back at the mushroom shot, I think I maybe should have wiped off the lens from the camera. But as you can see here, I zoomed with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I think the results are really, really good. This is from a 10mm lens, guys. Pretty cool.